Hey guys, today I will be checking out the Netvue 360 Orb camera. It is a 360 rotatable camera which can be remotely viewed anywhere via your smartphone, so you can have a peace of mind knowing you can check the camera remotely anywhere, anytime. Now we will proceed with the actual unboxing of the product. Out from the packaging. Inside the box, you will find one user guide to help you set up the camera. Next out is the Netvue Orb camera packed securely within the packaging with foam protective covering. Also included is a USB power cable and a wall power adapter to get the camera powered up. A wall mounting joint is provided should you wish to mount the camera up onto a wall. A pack of screws is included to help you mount up the device should you decide to do so. All items are packed neatly within the retail packaging. On first impression of the product, you can feel that the product is solid and not filmy like other cheap CCTV cameras. The glossy finish gives it a touch of elegance and quality. At the side of the camera, you will notice two speaker holes, designed for you to a clear two-way audio with the person on the other end. Especially useful if you have kids at home and wish to keep an eye on them while you are busy at work. An SD card slot is provided should you wish to record videos and events onto your local SD card for record purposes. Supports up to 128GB, which is decent. Alternatively, you can get cloud subscription to store your files in the cloud. There is a non-slip base so you can be rest assured that your camera is securely in place and won't slide around when you place it on a surface. Let's proceed to power it up. Once you power it up, you will notice the green LED flashing, signaling it is ready to connect. Now, to connect to the camera remotely, you will need to head over to the App Store of your device and download the Netvue app. Once you have downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to help you configure and set up the Netvue 360 Orb camera. You can create a new account on first use to save the camera to your account. That is what I will proceed to do now. After account setup, you will be directed to the homepage, and from there you can click onto the plus sign and add the Orb Cam into your account. Here I will select the camera type and model to configure it onto my account. Follow the on-screen instructions where you may be required to use the QR code scan in front of the camera to get it to connect to the app. In a few minutes, after setting the device up, the camera is all set and ready to be viewed. On the viewing screen, you will be able to see the toggle button where you will be able to use it to toggle left, right, up and down, as the camera supports 360 degrees pan tilt zoom, so you can move the camera all around to your ideal viewing angle. I find it particularly useful as I can monitor my pet fishes and family members while I'm out. And the video is very clear too, as you can see, the pixels are in full HD. You can record videos directly onto your smartphone via the app if you want to save a video. You will be able to capture screenshots too to save it into your local phone gallery should you wish to do so. Great functionality where you can save key events should you want to do so for later reference. Select the speaking mode to be able to communicate via two-way audio with the person on the other side. Great feature. You will be able to custom set your video quality on the app from HD to standard definition depending on your requirements. To conserve power, you can set a sleep mode for your camera like what I am doing here to make the camera sleep at a certain time or day depending on your needs and wants. Motion detection is available too. You can enable to get real-time notifications onto your smartphone when motion is detected. Custom set detection sensitivity accordingly. If you have other family members or caretaker using Netvue, you can share with them the camera so that they will be able to view it. Here I will play an actual recording re-ordered from the Netvue Orb 360 camera in bright day conditions. The video quality is very crisp and clear. It is in full HD and I really love using it to see my fishes swimming gracefully even when I'm out. Even in complete darkness, the Netvue 360 Orb camera is equipped with night vision infrared light which helps keep the view visible to users' eye even in complete dark environments. Good feature. Overall, video quality is excellent and video feed remains visible all day long with automatic night vision all in full HD. I find it especially great for my household to monitor elderly people and even my pets, so I have a peace of mind all day long. Check it out today. Thank you for watching.